Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default apps or default app settings on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting button. You want to select under settings where it says apps. Go ahead and select that, and then select under General Default Apps and select it. And now on this page, you can go ahead and select whatever default app you're looking to change it for. So for example, like the phone app, if you selected that, if you had multiple phone apps installed on your Android phone, you would be able to select them here. So select a different one. You have to have a default, so there's only one installed. You can't change it. So you have to have more than one phone app installed in order to change the default, which makes sense. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.